Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you on how to use the Notion AI for studying. Okay, so again, studying does not have to mean spending hours organizing notes, creating flashcards, or summarizing long chapters. With the Notion AI, you can streamline many of these tasks and spend more time actually learning. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use it, and we'll be covering how to organize your projects, summarize notes, creating study guidelines, and more. So even if you're completely new to Notion, this guide will help you to get started. Okay, so Notion AI is an AI assistant built directly into Notion. It helps you write, organize, summarize, brainstorm, and edit content without leaving your workspace. Okay, so for students, this means that you can manage your classes, study materials, assignments, and revision notes in one place. Instead of copying information into multiple AI tools, you can ask Notion AI to help you directly inside your notes. So keep in mind that AI generated content can occasionally contain mistakes, so it's always a good idea to verify important facts with your textbooks or course material. Okay, so the first step is organizing your study space. You just have to create a new page. Okay, so to create a new page, you just have to go here. Okay, that's right. So for example, this section. Let's go here. Okay, so tap on this option so you can create a new page. And then, for example, we are going to name this one as a study dashboard. So just type out study dashboard. Okay, so after that, there are sections for each subject, of course. So let me just go to the page that I have created. Okay, so for example, this one. All right, so we have this. Now, if you don't want to build everything manually, you can click Ask AI and try prompt like create a study dashboard. Okay, so I'm going to show you that. Let me just go back here. Okay, so I'm just going to use this new page section. So I'm just going to name this one as study dashboard. All right, so I'm just going to remove all of this one too. Okay, so let us try to type out create a study dashboard for a university. Okay, university student with subjects, assignments, deadlines, and exams trackers. Okay, so let's just copy this one, and then again, let us ask AI. You can just click the space bar on your keyboard and then just paste it right here, and then you just have to click on the send option. So Notion AI can generate a structured layout that you can customize to fit your schedule. Okay, so let's just wait. All right, so we're almost there. You can also organize class notes, of course. So one of the biggest advantages of Notion AI is keeping your notes organized. So let me just fix it. So as you can see, we have successfully created our study dashboard section. So we have for our overview section, we have the subjects, assignments, deadlines, and the exams tracker. Okay, now we can also organize class notes again. So one of the biggest advantages of Notion AI is keeping your notes organized. So you can create a page for each lecture or chapter. Okay, so yeah, we can create that right here. So for example, we're just going to create a new page. All right, and then you just have to ask AI to organize these notes into clear headings and bullet points. So for example, this is for our biology notes. All right, so you have your data right here, or you have your notes right here. So you just have to ask AI to organize these notes into a clear headings and bullet points. Okay, so you just have to set it, and then AI will do its job. So Notion AI can improve the readability by creating sections, highlighting key concepts, and removing unnecessary repetition, making it easier to review later. Okay, so for example, you have very long readings for that specific subject. You can also ask AI to summarize long readings. So yeah, just have to paste your readings into a Notion page. So again, let's just go back here. I'm just going to create a new page for long readings. And then I just have to paste here your context. And then you just have to ask AI to summarize this chapter into most important points, something like that. And then after that, AI will do its job. Okay, so you just have to send this one, and then you will get a concise summary that focuses on the essential ideas while preserving the overall meaning. Just remember to compare the summary with your original materials if you are studying for an important exams. Okay, now we also have generate flashcards and practice questions. So active recall is one of the most effective ways to learn. So Notion AI can help you by generating practice materials. So for examples, just have to put here context, and then it can ask AI to create 20 flashcards based on these notes. Okay, and then you just have to send it to AI. Okay, and then yeah, you can also type out generate multiple choice questions from this chapter, create true or false questions, generate short answers questions, make a practice quiz with an answer key. So something like that. So you just have to maximize, since AI is already there. So you just have to think of ways in order for you to really absorb and prepare for your exam. Okay, so of course you have to use a specific prompts instead of broad questions to get more accurate responses, and keep your notes, assignments, and study plans in one organized workspace. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.